Hi, I'm Irina Furstein. I'm a couples therapist in New York City, and I'm here for About.com. I'm going to explain the causes of low female libido. The signs and symptoms of a woman who has a low libido is that she wants to do anything before she wants to have sex. Any reason to not sexually engage with her husband, especially when a couple has been together for a long period of time, when there are children particularly present. More and more attention goes into the kids, into the household, sometimes if there's a career, even more so, and sex gets relegated to another chore. The first thing I look at is her sexual functioning. Is she orgasmic? I'm looking for sexual dysfunction, inability to have an orgasm, difficulties with lubrication, which leads to painful intercourse, which leads to then avoidance of intercourse. In an extreme cases, there is a diagnosis called vaginismus, where basically there is an involuntary spasm of the vaginal muscles, which makes intercourse impossible. Another major sexual dysfunction for women is lack of desire, which is really probably the most prevalent one. There is depression, there is anxiety, there is exhaustion, so we have to look at that. Drug and alcohol abuse. Relational causes of low sexual desire have to do with what's going on in the relationship between a husband and wife, and basically lack of intimacy and connection. You know, it's probably a cliche scenario, but women want their husbands to talk to them more, and husbands want women to have more sex with them. There's a connection in those two things. Women need to feel close and comfortable to be able to engage sexually. It's a very common theme in my office. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit us on the web at About.com.